pick right off. It's a beautiful system. I engineered this whole thing.
The insulation, everything.
Everything.
Yep.
Here's the heater. You plug it in at night. Okay, keeps the box warm overnight. Got your filter up here. Everything's sideways, just like the other one. Got a breather. Got a fan. Sucking air from in here. Taking the air out here.
You have a filter in it?
Yeah, right here.
No, in the air.
Oh, you can just shove one in. Basically, what we do is we just use like air conditioning, like in your house. You know, just cut some of that out, shove it up in there. It keeps the dirt from from getting up into the box. The system runs, has a manifold here. The heater's underneath here, so it heats the whole box. It's just a strip heater, and it has a thermostat in it.
Okay.
And
so
so
it's not on the tank, so you don't have to worry about melting the tank.
Yeah.
It's for water. Okay.
Right, now this one here actually has a float in it. So there's a float going in here. So when the water level gets down to here, it shuts it off. So there's nowhere for it to be, run out of water.
Right.
All right, this pressure switch up here eliminates, if for some reason this would get plugged or so saturated with water, this would shut off because it only goes to, at 2 pounds of pressure, this thing shuts off. So you have that safety feature. Also you have your water level indicators. This PWM runs, this is a triple like yours. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this PWM runs that system, but it also runs all these safety features. So the safety features are run through the PWM. So it tells the PWM to shut off. You see what I mean?
Well, and that keeps your cost down because you're only running one.
Now on top of it, you have this unit here is your dual speed. Basically, you have an A and B switch. Mm-hmm. Just like you have 2 PWMs, this is running 1 PWM doing the same thing. So you have 2 of those little pots in here.
Okay.
This line here, which is coming in here, hooks to your turbo. All right. That way, when you drop below 0 pounds or below 1 pound, what this does is it shuts down to. This is running at about 10 amps. Okay. So at an idle, you're running 10 amps, which is generating more gas and saving you more at the bottom end, but you're not drawing the 52 amps.
Okay.
Okay. So now at B setting can be 50, 52, 48, wherever.
Right now, all I can do is turn the one off, the little one.
That's right.
And the big one's still putting out 35.
Right.
At an idle, which is more than I need.
Right. So that's where you're having some negative numbers. This is a more efficient way. The only problem is you would need a whole new 1 PWM and a controller, and this is actually at this point obsolete because now the PWM and the relay is all in one box. Okay, so now you know what I mean. That's all there, but this one is actually obsolete. It still functions. It's great. It's wonderful. It's just now that there's already another generation past this generation.
Well, that's good to hear.
So that's what I'm saying. The only thing that I'd like to see, if you can, is just to tell us what you've seen